Hey, what's going on, everyone? Coach DJ back once again this week, finishing out week one with our active rest day. So it's not like your typical workout. We're not going to do anything strenuous or anything like that. This is a chance where we give our muscles a chance to relax, but also keep the momentum going pretty much. So we still give our muscles, like I said, we still give them that relaxing day, but we still keep them moving to make sure that the blood is still circulating throughout the muscles so that they can actively recover. So first thing, first things first, before I start, please make sure you have on the appropriate footwear. Like I said, we're not doing anything too crazy. So if you want to go barefoot, please be barefoot. Just make sure, going to my second point, that your surroundings are nice and clean and clear. We don't want you tripping over anything. Don't want you hurting yourself. Don't want you dropping anything on your toes. So please make sure you have the appropriate footwear and also that your surroundings are clear. Also, if you start to experience any lightheadedness, dizziness, uh, faintness, or anything of that sort, shortness of breath, please stop what you're doing. Have some water nearby. Um, Go outside if you need to. Go to a cool environment if you need to. Sit down, catch your breath. You can always pause the video, but we just want to make sure that you guys are being safe while doing any of these workout videos that we provide for you all. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing that we're going to do, we're just going to do a gentle jog. So like I said, we're not going crazy, just a gentle jog, just jogging in place, like so. There we go. Just jogging nice and gentle. If you find this a little bit, cause I know especially with kids, if you find this, jogging in place a little bit boring, I mean, jog around, jog in circles. You got options. You don't have to be standing still like I am. You can jog around, move around, jog in place. There we go. There we go. 3, 2, 1. All right. Up next, we got arm circles. So, anything with active recovery, workouts are never long. They're usually kind of short. But like I said, it's just something to keep the blood flowing, make sure the muscles don't get cold, so that we're always ready for the next workout coming up. There we go. There we go. And let's go backwards. Nice and tall. Also, you seem to have a mat. We're going to be going down to the ground. So if you need a mat, a cushion, anything, please make sure that you have one nearby. And all right. So up next, toe touch. We did these last time. So the only thing you're going to do, reach down. Make sure you see my knees aren't bent. Try to keep those knees as straight as possible. And the only thing you're going to do is just reach down. Now, the goal of this, we want to stretch out those hamstrings. These are the muscles that are on the back of our thigh. Now, you can touch the floor, touch your toe, touch your shoelaces, touch the tongue of your shoe, touch your shin. Just make sure you're reaching down as comfortably as possible. And slowly reach up. There we go. All right, so up next, deep breathing. So deep breathing, only thing we're going to do, breathe in, deep breath in, exhale it out. Breathe in, there we go. Breathe in. There we go. Breathe in. Like I said, we're not doing anything too crazy. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last time. Breathe in. And breathe out. All right. So, up next, what we're going to do, let's do some neck rolls. So you can either be standing or seated. I'll push you to the front of me. Sorry if that was loud in your ears, guys. So neck rolls. How we're going to do this? Like I said, be how comfortable you want to be. You can be like me. You can be sitting in the chair. You can be standing. It doesn't matter as long as you are comfortable. So what we're going to do now, breathe in. Let it out. So now, ear to shoulder, back of the head, back of the neck, other ear to shoulder, chin to chest. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. There we go. Let's go to the other side now. There we go. One last time. So up next, what we got? We're going to do some shoulder rolls. So shoulder rolls. Shrug. When you shrug, I want you to breathe in. And I want you to exhale. There we go. Now, you might see me kind of switching. I'm always trying to find a comfortable place. I'm not as limber as I once was. Used to be able to sit crisscross applesauce way back in 1999. And relax. All right, so now I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you guys will see me a little bit better. We're gonna do the cat-cow stretch. So you're gonna be on all fours. Knees hip width apart, hands underneath your chest, shoulder width apart. You're going to dip in your back, arc in your back. There we go. Hump. And when you put a hump in it, push through your palms. And then back down. There we go. All right. So up next, you're going to be on your butt. Bring your feet in together. And what this is called the butterfly stretch. So, only thing you're gonna do, feet together, using those elbows, you're gonna push down inside of your knees. And what this is doing, this is gonna stretch out the inside of your leg. There we go. Ooh, feels good. Feels good. Relax. All right. So now, spread your legs. You're going to reach down in the middle. Reach over to your right leg. Switch legs. There we go. Relax. Up next, you're going to be in the child's pose position. So, child's pose. I like to have my knees spread just a little bit apart. And what you're going to do, you're going to drop your butt right in between and crawl your hands out. And you're going to stretch. Now, me personally, I feel the stretch more in my lats. There we go. And bring it back up. Good. All right. Do me a favor. Flip over on your back. Now, with this one, legs out. Ooh, arms out. In this position, we're just going to breathe. Just breathe. I just want you to relax. Fill those lungs up with air. Let it all loose. One more time for me. Deep breath in. And let it all out. Now, my wrestling fans will know this. I want you to rise up like the Undertaker. There we go. All right. So, that was just active rest day. Something simple. Totally wasn't too strenuous. But, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it's always a joy bringing these videos to y'all. It gets me moving, it gets me active, it gets me going, it gets me to stretch, it gets my heart rate up, it gets me going. I'm repeating the same stuff, but you guys get it. We love doing these things for y'all, and we really appreciate the fact that y'all take time out of y'all day to come and watch these videos. So, with that being said, that's all I got for y'all. I will catch y'all next week for more videos. But yes, peace, love, enjoy the summer, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.